JJ.A.C Tech Channel. JJ.A.C Electronics, CCTV installation. CCTV, closed-circuit television, is a system in which signals are not publicly distributed but are monitored, primarily for surveillance and security purposes. CCTV relies on the strategic placement of cameras and the observation of the camera's input on monitors somewhere. Because the cameras communicate with monitors and video recorders across private coaxial cable runs or wireless communication links, they gain the designation closed circuit to indicate that access to their content is limited by design only to those able to see it. CCTV is commonly used for a variety of purposes, including maintaining perimeter security in medium to high security areas, traffic monitoring, building and ground security, obtaining a visual record of activities in situations where it is necessary to maintain proper security or access controls. Malls, schools, banks, casinos, and airports are a few examples. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.